Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I'm glad you're here. Today we've got an unboxing, USA made fixed blade. Pretty cool little knife. I'm stoked to check it out. Sent to us from Kell Knives over in neighboring Georgia. Before I rip into this, I do want to say thank you to the channel members. Thank you, thank you. Thank you to anyone who subscribes to the channel for knife and EDC content. And thanks for anybody who just sticks their head in to check out some knife and EDC content. I really appreciate you. So I'm going to grab my little Amazon unpackaging knife, my little bally song that I've not, knock on wood, cut myself with yet. And we are going to break out a Kell knife. I love the way that these are being packaged now. Shipping out in this little mole-rich kind of survival pack. You can put it on your backpack. It's got mole straps. It's got a couple of patches that you can stick on it. Just a great little case. What we have here, Band-Aid, little Ballystrom cleaner. Again, a great pouch. But we have another in the Agent series. The Agent, if you guys remember, this is the Agent 002. Great little Wharncliffe knife. This is the Agent 003. Check that out. This uses the same style blade that is on, if I'm not mistaken, the Nightstalker. But when you look at the aggressiveness of this knife, you've got the same forward jimping with this really tight handle that gives you literally full four-finger grip. And then when you push against this jimped spine here, you are looking at a piercing beast. The G10 handles are done very well. You've got this little pommel back here on the back with some jimping as well, depending on the type of grip that you're going to be using this knife in. It's got multiple grips. Let's see how, again, this is more of a piercer than a slicer, but these are always very slicey knives. But more than anything else, I mean, this is designed to pierce cans, right? So if you need to open a can from the side, this Agent 003 could get the job done. This one is in 80 CRV2, and then it's got that nitrate boron, I always get that wrong, coating applied to it, where it looks kind of like an acid wash treatment, where in essence it's an actual coating, an additional coating to that blade that not only increases the corrosion resistance, but actually adds to the HRC of the blade. But these are just great little EDC knives. I've got this one, the Agent 002, set up as a pocket dropper. Right around the same length. You've got the same handle profile, that Agent series grip, which is just fantastic. It's a narrow handle that gives you literally four fingers that aren't going anywhere forwards or backwards. Gives me as sure of a grip as I could really look for. You've got this nice swedge on the spine. Again, you've got those three really nice jimps. Nice sharpening choil. Full tang construction. Let's see what we're looking at thickness wise. And this is just an unboxing, guys. I will do a review on this knife. 16.1685. Handle is going to come in right over ½ inch at 0.56. Height's going to range from 0.71 to 0.78. Because again, it's very ergonomical the way it fits into your hand. Just to get a narrow, nimble, little, smooth cutter. Agent 003. Again, this is just an unboxing. We will get into it. I will carry this knife for a while. I will probably put an ulti clip on it or a discreet carry clip. I like to carry these guys in my back pocket, as y'all know, but the great thing about these knives is they're set up to where you can really put any type of concealment method on them that you want. They work very, very well. So we'll get that outfitted up, we'll get it ready to carry, and we will let you guys know what it performs like. We'll do some poking, some cutting, some piercing. Look at that tip. I mean, the bevel on that thing is just absolutely perfect. Just absolutely stunning. Beautiful, beautiful work. Again, Kell Knives over in Georgia, USA. Just an unboxing of the Agent 003. Look forward to check out more of the Agent series. Guys, they've got all different blade shapes. I'll put a link to the website down below. You guys can browse them. They make good stuff. I'm a huge fan of Kell, Tim and Suzanne, and their knives. Just fantastic products. But guys, thank you for taking the time to watch this unboxing. Thank you, if you're so inclined, hit that subscribe button and that bell notification icon if you hadn't. It really helps me out. But most importantly, please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Go forward with love in your hearts and choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.